Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel Philosmos. My name is Fumani and yet I've got another interesting topic for you today. So if it feels like I'm not giving you 100% of my energy today, please do understand. Like I woke up at 3 a.m. and I felt really nauseous. I just started puking all over. So right now I'm kind of depleted in energy, but it is my job to ensure that you receive content and content you shall receive. So let's get straight into what we're talking about today, which is the law of attraction. So this is probably a very familiar concept to most of you because gratitude towards Rhonda Bryan, who actually pioneered the secret in which people could actually get a pry into understanding the nature of reality and nature how things work and how you attract certain things into your life. So I would just like to explain it from two points of view. Today I'm going to focus on the vibrational sense, in which we look at it from the point of view in which things are actual vibrations and the circumstances that you desire vibrations as well. And then from the next video that I'm going to shoot, I'm going to look at it from the mind, the particular way in which we see, and the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and how they work together and the different roles that they play. So let's get straight into the vibration. So if you're not familiar with the concept of vibration, do understand that everything in the universe is a vibration. And what creates the illusion that I am a particular body that is existing in infinite amounts of objects, around infinite amounts of objects, and I am separate from them, what gives that illusion is the fact that you are vibrating at a different frequency. That's what gives the illusion that you are a distinct particular object existing in isolation. Whereas in truth, you're but an extension of the world. You're but a vibration, and everything else is that vibration. It's just we're vibrating at different frequencies, which gives the illusion of individuality. So, what you need to understand when you want to attract things into your life, whether it's a new partner, whether it's a new business, whether it's a new experience, understand that the universe is vibration and you are vibration. And the vibration that you emit will always determine the circumstances in your life, the kind of thinking patterns that you carry, how you feel, your level of awareness of your spirituality, your consciousness. Every single thing will be reduced based on how you are vibrating at any given moment. So obviously, when you shift your vibration at a particular moment, it does not necessarily mean that now in that moment that vibration is going to ensure that you receive things that are of a similar vibration. So in that regard, you wanting, let's just say, desiring a new car, a new house, just because you're desiring it at this particular moment does not mean you're going to visually see that situation or circumstance transpire. What it is, what truly is transpiring, what's truly happening is that you are bringing yourself to your fundamental place, which is a being of vibration. And in the vibrational world, in the vibrational domain, every single thing that you desire, single thing that you want to experience, every single reality that you have dreamt of is in existence. And thus you bring yourself to that feeling in which you are in that reality. So if ever you want to get a pry into what you're vibrating, access your feelings or access your thoughts. So your thoughts, this correlates as well with the idea that I mentioned of the bandwidth of your thoughts and the bandwidth of your feelings. So firstly, your feelings, the feelings always demonstrate to you the vibration to which you are currently occupying. And sometimes this can be tricky because certain feelings come from the surface and certain feelings have an underlying emotion that in actuality are destructive. Okay, so for instance, you may be engaging in activities or behaviors that are not beneficial for you, but when you engage in them, you feel happy. So that happiness is but and a disguise. It's not really real. It's a mirage. It's really cloaking. It's hiding the underlying feeling of anguish or suffering and pain. Okay, so understand that you will need to further investigate your feelings, and that will be done through meditation. Sorry, I don't know if you will be able to see this, but yeah. So meditation will ensure that the feeling itself fully expresses itself to the point where it rises or sinks down to itself, in which the original feeling can now express itself. So consciousness, pure consciousness, will ensure that you neutralize that feeling that you're feeling. So anytime that you find yourself occupying feelings that will not necessarily bring the particular vibration that you desire, understand this, that your pure consciousness, you as a purview of reality, are a neutralizing factor. You are able to create a balance in everything. Thus, when you feel that feeling, do not worry, do not lose sight of the actual vision. Realize that this is just the opposing feeling that you're feeling at that particular time, and realize that you need to neutralize it to ensure that you further perpetuate the feeling and the vibration that you would like to receive. So understand that your feelings are always an indication as to what you're attracting. So at any given moment, any feeling that you feel will determine the information that you receive, the vibration that you receive as well. So at times we do experience a particular feeling, and then in that exact moment the vibration is thus received. A certain circumstance happens that is similar to that vibration, but in many cases there is the factor of time. So when we put ourselves in the vibrational state, we feel as if that reality is already happening. We feel as if we are there, we are in that particular reality. But from our purview, from the sensory point of view, through our eyes, we cannot see it yet. But we do not fixate on not seeing it. You are vibration at essence. This physical world is always changing. Observe it. It's continuously changing, moment to moment to moment to moment to moment. But the fact that you are vibration doesn't change. So that is a law. Okay, and when you place yourself in a particular vibration that you prefer and you sustain it, the physical world has no choice but to reflect back to you that vibration that you were emitting. Then you can access your thoughts, access the particular images that are in your mind, and understand that every image in your mind represents a particular feeling, represents a particular vibration. Okay, and that vibration it goes out into the universe. Every thought that you have literally affects the field. The field is this network in which all things are connected to. So your thoughts are literally affecting the thoughts of those around you, not even those around you, the natural organisms that are around you as well. So you having the intention of killing a plant, for instance, that plant will feel that intention and further experience fear. And this has actually been scientifically proven. So understand that any image that you carry in your mind represents a vibration. And that vibration is determining the images that you see in your reality. So understand that the momentum of your thoughts are steering you towards experiencing similar images. So in order to neutralize your thoughts, do the same procedure as you do in accessing your feelings. Step back into your pure consciousness, in which then you can neutralize the images that you're experiencing that have the sensation of being uncontrollable sometimes. So understand that you always are vibrating. You are a pulsation that is affecting everything around you. And the particular vibration that you occupy moment to moment to moment to moment will determine the vibrations that you receive. So understand that about reality, that fundamentally all things are vibration. So do not look at the physical world and do not look at the presentation as if it is that way. When you truly observe the nature of things, the nature of the universe, you realize that change is a constant. But what does not change is the fact that you are vibrating, and thus from vibrating you are receiving the particular vibration that you're emitting, because it is all one vibration. Thus any particular vibration that occupies that one vibration will get the exact vibration that is attuned to it. So in my next video, I'm going to explain this from the mind's perspective, in which the conscious mind and the subconscious mind play in their particular roles. So these are just basic ways in which you can access your vibration. And I'll elaborate on this as well, in how now you can utilize certain methods to ensure that you are always emitting a particular vibration that you prefer. So thank you very much for listening to my video, guys. Please like, please subscribe, please share. And to end it off, as I always end it off, to those who seek, seek no more, for in the present we find it all. Thank you very much, guys.